Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to do your own feed-in braids. First, start on a clean and stretched. Part the back of the hair with a rat tail comb into 3 or 4 sections for box braids depending on how many braids want. After braiding the box braids, use the rat tail comb to create a clean part straight down to the back. Separate your braiding hair into smaller pieces. This is what will feed in gradually to create that seamless look. Begin braiding your natural hair as you would for a regular cornrow or add little extension. After the first stitch or 2, grab a small piece of braiding hair and feed it in underneath your index finger. The trick is to add hair little by little, don't rush. Keep your grip firm but not too tight to avoid tension. Keep feeding in hair as you go, making sure it blends smoothly. If you need a better grip, add a little styling gel for extra hold. If your arms get tired, take small breaks, but don't stop mid-braid. Keep your pattern. Once you reach the end, continue braiding until you run out of hair. Later, dip the ends in hot water. Apply mousse for a sleek finish. And there you have it, DIY feed-in braids done all by yourself. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this. See you in the next one.
Cool places to see, wonders for you and me, wonderful sights, endless delights, yeah, yeah, all around the world, stories unfold, every post a dream, more than it seems, wonderful sights, endless delights, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. All around the world, stories unfold, every post a dream, more than it seems, wonderful sights, endless delights, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Following blissful page, fun and entertain. Cool places to see, wonders for you and me, wonderful sights, endless delights, yeah, yeah, all around the world, stories unfold, every post a dream, more than it seems, wonderful sights, endless delights, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. All around the world, stories unfold, every post a dream, more than it seems, wonderful sights,